Hey, welcome back. We got a special gift when we actually signed up for Hippo Home Insurance. They decided to send us a kit from a company called Notion, and Notion actually provided sensors and a bridge that actually allow us to monitor various aspects of our home. So I took it in and I was thinking, do we need anything else? So, I decided to unbox it, see what it was all about. And it was a very simple setup. So, you know what? I said, hey, you know what? Let me give it a shot. So, looking through all the documentation, it indicated that it had little sensors, maybe about the size of this, maybe a small disc. And I'll show you those. But essentially, what the sensors do is they are multi sensor devices. So they have accelerometers in them so they can sense motion. They have devices in them that essentially allow them to understand that there's a sound. So if a loud sound output, they have ability to amplify that and determine if there's, again, a loud sound. And again, they can do a little bit of everything, but they can only do one thing at a time. But what made it really neat is we didn't have anything for our garage. So I was thinking, it would be great to know if our garage doors are actually open or closed, just for the fact that when we drive away, sometimes it's something that we might actually forget to do. So I figured I'd actually set everything up in here. So to actually show you the bridge, let me actually bring that up. This is the wireless bridge. There you go. There's a wireless bridge right there. And what that actually does is that connects the Notion smart home system to our Wi-Fi internet. And so I wasn't sure if the signal was going to be too good in our garage. It actually worked out pretty well. So we had two sensors that the system actually came with, and I'll show you where we actually installed them. We installed them on the garage door, maybe about a little bit higher than waist level. And if you can see right here, there it is. So they're not very big. They had a sticky side. So once I actually peeled that off and hooked everything up, it actually works pretty well. And so tested everything out. Everything starts in the closed position. Press the garage doors, open them up. As soon as I did, it let me know that the garage doors were open. So system actually works really well. So well, in fact, that we decided to order a few more devices. I'm not sure if you can see it up there. But let's see. Oh, right there. So what we actually decided to put in our garage, since smoke alarms don't work really well in the garage, we put something in called a heat alarm. And these are particularly designed for garages. So if there are ever any issues within the garage, that will notify you. The only issue we have is that since we have a number of Google devices throughout the rest of our home, there's no alerts that come with the alarm up there. So if it ever did go off, we wouldn't really get alerts about it if we weren't at home. So being able to set up this Notion home security / smart home system actually will allow us to get alerts. But the only thing is, I need another one sensor to actually be able to make that work, because the ones that are installed in the garage, unfortunately, they don't foot the bill. It can only be used to determine if the garage is open or closing. They don't do don't use multiple sensors, only one sensor at a time. So I had to splurge to get a few more sensors, but I think that's going to be definitely an added plus, because we'll actually be able to get alerts if ever any of that does go off. And they also provide leak detection as well. So we're thinking of putting one near our water heater in the basement, as well as the washing machine. So those should be here probably within the week or so. But again, wanted to give a review of the Notion home automation system. Even in having the Google system, it's actually been a huge advantage and a big plus. And so I wanted to also thank Hippo Insurance for providing us with that complimentary system. And again, I'll keep you in tune for how the next system actually looks and how that turns out. But appreciate you tuning in. Always love sharing a lesson of the day or something that we've learned or I've learned. And I'll have another lesson for you, I'm sure, soon. All right. So until then, catch you later. Bye.